I am Sathwika. I am currently doing my B.Tech final year at SRKR Engineering College. I am currently pursuing cybersecurity, IoT, and blockchain technology, which is a specialization under computer science and engineering. Doing several projects also. Mostly, I did my projects in IoT stream, and I'm also interested in various specializations like machine learning also. Since AI/ML, I think in recent times it's the most famous specializations. But everybody wants to choose machine learning because we are hearing a lot about it. So that's the reason I'm in a stream where I've been studying cybersecurity, IoT, and blockchain. These three are a new specialization. So along with that, I also wanted to explore machine learning and artificial intelligence. That is the reason I wanted to choose AI/ML. And when it comes to GUVI, I've been recommended GUVI by my faculty members. So they personally told me that this is a very good platform when you wanted to explore new courses, and they recommended me to choose GUVI. That's the reason I started being a student in GUVI. In GUVI, I am learning machine learning. Mostly they are concentrating on deep learning. Balachandar Kasilingam sir is the one who is teaching me. So his way of teaching is very good. Even the complex concepts, he'll be making us understand using real world examples. The way he engages us, and he gives priority for us to speak, and he'll always ask us to be more interactive, and he'll always be interacting with us through the chat box. Mostly he'll be giving some time to make a note of all the things and everything. It's a very interactive class, ma'am, and it's also engaging. Beyond the syllabus also, he'll be giving many examples. Mostly he tries to make it hands on.
Nice.
I really like his class very much. If I am having any doubt, I'll immediately post it in the chat box. Immediately sir will respond by he'll just pause the session, and he'll first clear our doubts. So it doesn't take much time to respond, ma'am. Immediately, if he's continuing a topic, at the end of the topic, he'll ask us to post our doubts, ma'am. We'll be posting them in the chat box, and he'll give us a clarity on it. I am from a cybersecurity background, so most of the questions that I was asked in my interview were related to the background that I am having. So mostly they did not ask me anything regarding this AI and ML, ma'am. But the way these course helped me is it made me more interactive. That helped me more while I was attending the interview. I was able to freely take on the interview. That is the most thing that helped me. Since I am not from this background, I was not asked any questions regarding this subject.